guys, what's up? And I found a RMS mystery dumpling squishy, and I've been searching for one for so long, and I am so excited to open it. So let's get into it. Just gonna cut this part. Okay. This part's off. I think it's like the Valentine's edition or something. But I think I can just like peel this. You guys get to see it first because I'm going to close my eyes. Alright. Got it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, this is the one I wanted, guys. I am so happy with this one. This is the exact one I wanted, and I am so happy. Yes, I got the pink one. It's so cute. I am really happy with this one. And thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!